Hi friends, I'm Rohan. Today I will be visiting a zoo with my father.
Come here, Rohan. Let's have breakfast. Then we will go to zoo.
Coming, Dad.
Okay, Rohan. What would you like to eat in breakfast?
Dad, I will have a glass of fruit juice, vegetables and fruits.
Rohan, you are eating plant products.
Yes, Dad. I wonder what animals like to eat. Do they also depend on plants for their food?
No, only some animals eat plants.
Oh, really?
Based on the kind of food animals eat, we can separate them into three groups. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals that eat only other animals are called carnivores. Whereas, who eat both plants and animals are called omnivores.
I want to know more about what animals eat.
Sure, Rohan. We will talk more about this in the zoo. Let's go.
Look, Dad, a deer, and he is eating a plant.
Rohan, he is a herbivore. Look around and you will find many herbivores.
Yes, Dad. I can see elephant, rabbit, goat and horse.
Herbivores use their teeth to chew plants. Do you know, plants also provide food to many birds and insects.
Wow, really?
Pigeons and parrot eat plant seeds, and butterfly and bee feed on flower nectar.
Look, Dad, a lion, and he is eating flesh.
Yes, Rohan, he is a carnivore. Tigers and leopards are also carnivores. They eat bison, deer, and other animals.
How do they hunt other animals?
They have strong limbs and sharp claws, good eyesight, and sharp teeth.
Dad, I want to learn more about carnivores.
Many snakes, birds such as owl and eagle, and fishes such as shark are also carnivores. They eat other small animals. Eagles eat fish and monkeys. These birds have sharp and strong beaks and claws. Snakes eat mice, frogs, and birds. Shark eats other fishes and has sharp teeth. And also, many insects eat other small insects.
Wow, Dad, frog is also a carnivore. It eats insects.
Good, Rohan.
Look, Dad, a bear, and he is eating honey.
Yes, Rohan. He is an omnivore and he also eats fishes. Peacocks, foxes and sparrows are also omnivores and they eat variety of foods such as seeds, tender leaves and insects.
Dad, this means humans are also omnivores.
Yes, Rohan. Do you know, like us, animals also drink water. They drink water from ponds, puddles, rivers and lakes.